Please, oil is not a moisturizer. Stop pouring oil directly into dry hair. Oil is amazing, but pouring it on dry hair causes build-up, itchiness, dryness underneath. Your hair just feels like Sahara deserts. Now, let me show you the proper way of moisturizing your hair. So the first, you want to get a session that you can easily manage. Then you spray with a spray bottle. My spray bottle is very beautiful because of hot water. So you want to hydrate with this water. Your hair loves water. Water is the true moisturizer. So lightly mist your hair until it feels damp, not soaking. This helps open up the cuticle and allow your products to absorb better. If you skip this step, your hair will continue to feel dry no matter how many oil or cream you apply. So next, while your hair is still damp, finger detangle it. This helps to remove knots and tangles to reduce breakage. Next, you want to use a leave-in conditioner. I'm using this Cantu. It makes the hair soft and it is easy to obtain, to get anywhere. So you want to apply this leave-in conditioner from the middle of the hair to the tip. Do not apply leave-in conditioner to your scalp because it's a conditioner. Conditioner is supposed to detangle the hair. It's supposed to make the hair soft, not make your scalp soft. So next, you comb the hair. Now, conditioner helps to do 3 basic things. It helps to trap in the moisture, make it soft, and also add sleepiness that makes the tangling so much easier. So you are going to work on it for all the other sessions. Session by session, especially if your hair is very thick. Your leave-in is what keeps your strands hydrated throughout the day. If you get a lot of knots, tangles, or dryness a few hours after moisturizing, it's usually because this step was skipped or not done properly. So you want to ensure that all the hair is properly moisturized. You add your leave-in conditioner. So you're going to marinate the water for all the hair just the way I'm doing now, and add your leave-in conditioner, then mat the hair. Add leave-in conditioner and mat the hair. So when you are done with that, it takes us to the last step, which is to seal with oil. So now the hair is hydrated and conditioned. The environment is ready. You've created the enabling environment for your oil. So I'm using this Amla Dabur oil. I love it because Amla is a very good ingredient to help enhance hair growth. So I'm going to put some of this oil both on the scalp and on the tip of the hair. So I'll apply it also on the hair as well. So this helps to seal that moisture. And this oil is also lightweight. So use lightweight oil if you want softness, or thicker oils like castor oil if you're trying to strengthen and prevent breakage. So if you struggle with dryness, tangles, this simple routine will change everything. So here's the final look. Please like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe or follow for more hair care tips. Bye.